doesn't chase, she waits, and you come undone. She walks in silence, but the stars know her name, soft like smoke, sharp like flame. She don't beg, she don't bow, she remembers she is now. She is the moon, not a phase, not a trend. She's the beginning, she's the end. Don't try to hold her, she's not yours to keep. She'll light your fire, then pull you deep. You feel her rising in your chest, in your head. Truth in her eyes, spells on her lips. Made of cycles, wounds and wine. Every scar a sacred sign. She doesn't need to speak to shake the ground. Her power lives in the spaces between sound. She is the moon, she'll bless or burn. She gives in full and makes you yearn. She's not broken, she's reborn. She is the storm before the dawn. Self for protection, honey for grace. Speak your truth and take up space. My hands are light, my roots run deep. I stir the spell and do not sleep. Smoke in circles, crystals clean. Love and fire in everything. I don't She is the fire and the flow, the silence and the storm. She is ancient, and she is becoming. Bare feet on sacred ground, heartbeat in a sacred sound, golden threads through every breath, life and death, she weaves the rest. She who rises soft and wild, holy priestess, warrior child, made of moonlight, blood and flame, every breath she speaks her name. Eyes like galaxies untamed, voice that sings the stars by name. She dances shadows into light, she births the world in darkest night. Not made to shrink, not made to please, she bends the wind, commands the seas, crowned in roses, wrapped in gold. She is the story never told. She who rises soft and wild, holy priestess, warrior child, made of moonlight, blood and flame, every breath she speaks her name. The moon hums low, a velvet sigh. Stars are whispers passing by. A fleeting thought, a breath, a trace. Time dissolves in this quiet space. Shadows waltz on the window pane. Echoes linger, soft, unchained. A fragile world, both near and far, bound by whispers of what we are. Let the night unfold find my